In this video, I will show you how to block spam emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to understand that there are several ways of blocking spam emails in Gmail. Now, first thing to do is, if that email finds its way to your inbox, you can open up the said email and you click on these three dots here. You can either report as spam, report phishing, you can block. Another way to do it also is going to this search bar here and creating a filter. So once you have the email of the sender, you come here to create filter, and then you click on delete it and you create a filter. So now anytime that sender sends you an email, it's going to go to the trash folder. You could also unsubscribe from the mailing list from that email to allow Gmail know that you don't want to receive emails from this sender. And finally, you can go to the spam folder and ensure that you regularly delete spam messages. And those are several ways to block spam emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.